Hi, this is Andrew Moore-Crispin for Gadget TV on butterscotch.com, and today we're taking a look at the Scosche goBAT 2 external battery pack. You can get this guy for about $80. The model number is IPD-BAT2. Now it looks remarkably like an external hard drive. You can see here, and it'll fit in your bag just like an external hard drive. Pretty easy to carry around, not too heavy. It is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in here. You can see that the glossy surface does accept fingerprints, but probably not really a big deal. So you can see here, the only button on the thing is this one here, which allows us to check the charge level. So you can see we have a full charge in the 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Now 5,000 milliamp hour battery, what that means is you can charge pretty much any phone that will plug in via USB. You can charge the iPhone 3G 3 times, the iPhone 3GS 3 times, or the iPhone 4 2.6 times. What's really interesting about this though, if we take a quick look on the top here, so in addition to the input for charging the goBAT itself, we also have a standard 1 amp port that we can use for charging an iPod or an iPhone or really any Android phone that'll plug in via USB. But we also have a 2.1 amp port here that we can use specifically for charging the iPad. Now that is unique among external battery packs that aren't really specifically made for the iPad. But what it allows us to do is get about a 50% charge on our iPad. So if we pull the iPad 2 into the shot here, turn it the right way around, Andrew, and we'll just plug it in here. And now if we plug it into the 2.1 amp port on the top, now what we have to do is actually press the button to turn it on and begin charging. And you might have heard the iPad chime. We are actually charging it now. So you can see up here, we are getting a charge into the device. So like I say, it'll charge your iPad or iPad 2 about halfway. So a good solution if you're traveling, you don't have to carry multiple battery packs in order to charge up numerous different devices. And it doesn't come with any cables save the single micro B USB cable that actually comes in the box that you use for charging. But then you can also use the cables that come with your phone. So I'm just about to plug in my Nexus S here. Plug that in, hit the button, and now you can see we're charging. So in my tests, we charged the Nexus S, again, about 2.5 times, similar to the iPhone 4. Now it'll turn off on its own. Currently it's still kind of active. It'll turn off within 5 minutes to save battery. So what I really like this thing for is pass-through charging. So rather than carrying multiple wall adapters, a wall adapter for our iPad, the wall adapter for our phone, we can just carry a couple of USB cables and the wall adapter for this guy here, plug in here and charge this thing up, pass through charge our iPad, pass through charge our phones throughout the night. So that's a quick look at the Scosche goBAT 2. For Gadget TV, I'm Andrew Moore-Crispin. For more sweet stuff, visit butterscotch.com.